I am back. I have my Boxycharm base box. This is December's box. I don't know the weight because I did not get informed that it was being shipped. I think it was delivered in something other than FedEx because I can usually check with FedEx even when I don't get informed that it's being shipped, and FedEx will have it on record. So I really don't know how it got shipped. I think it came in the regular mail. I'm not sure. It was in my mailbox, so I'm really not sure if whoever delivered it just put it in my mailbox. Huh? Okay, hold on a minute. So I'm going to show you all what I got in my base box. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you're not, thank you so much for your loyal support. It really means so very much to me, and y'all have no idea how much I appreciate you. And please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And someone wants to come say hi.
Me.
Looky there, I cut his hair. Don't he look handsome? I cut his hair for New Year's. He's got his New Year's outfit on. Look how nice he looks. I took him out to eat. His favorite food is enchilada from the little Mexican place here called Guacamole's. That is his favorite place to eat. So this is his Christmas.
Elastic band shoes. And that way I don't have to tie because I don't know how to tie.
He can't, I've mentioned before, he has a lot of fine motor skill problems. He's been in therapy for occupational therapy for things like that since he was 15 months old, and he still has a hard time. They say he might have a slight case of cerebral palsy in his hands, and he still had, okay, go put him up. He still has a problem with that, but I took him out to eat. If I think I can, I'm going to post a picture up there and show you how cute he looked. They had a really beautiful tree while we were out to eat, and I took some pictures of him in front of it in his new outfit. That was his Christmas outfit. So I'm going to try to leave a picture. I'm just learning all this editing stuff, so I apologize. I look terrible. The only makeup I put on fresh was my lipstick, and I smeared it a little bit, but I wanted to get the video done. All my other makeup I've had on for hours, and even then I just put on a little bit of mascara and eyeliner, a little bit of blush. I didn't bother to put on foundation or anything because I've been busy trying to clean and get everything ready for the new year. So I hope I don't look too terrible for you all, but I wanted to do some unboxings and show you all this, and I hope everyone had a really great new year. I'm videoing this, but it's 10:40 here in the evening. We are waiting right now to watch the ball drop together. I told Levi we would go in the store and buy something to toast the new year together, and he picked out root beer. So that's what we're going to do, is toast the new year together with root beer. That's what he wanted. So
I thought last time I had New Year it was root beer.
And I'm going to make my famous punch bowl cake that my family loves and take it to my brother tomorrow that lives in Chattanooga, Tennessee.
He was the one that she might have told you they had a major stroke.
Yeah, he had a massive stroke.
Let me tell you guys what was funny. One time we were there and she said, "You better not be shooting those cats." I'm like, "I'm not." And my uncle laughing, and he was just shooting everybody.
He had a Nerf gun, and he's had them made a massive stroke that took out the left side of his brain.
But he had one of his right side arms he couldn't move, but he moves it pretty good. And the other thing was funny, I was playing Old Town Road, and he was actually singing it as
they said he would never talk again, and never walk again. They actually said he wouldn't live the next month because it was so bad, but he's still in bad shape. He's more like a 2 or 3 year old now, but he's alive, and I guess that's all that matters anyway. So he loves my punch bowl cake, so we're going to go tomorrow and take him some, and that's how we're going to spend our new year. So let me know, how did you spend your new year? I really would love to know how you've spent your new year, and I hope you're staying safe while getting to see your loved ones. I know this time of year, the holidays, is so terrible when we can't get to see our loved ones. Christmas, me and Levi spent the day, just me and him, because my mother has her back is pretty much, she has osteoporosis, and her back has kind of just almost like disintegrated. You can actually feel where her spine is just so whacked out. It's just terrible. And she's having one of her problems to where she can't even get in and out of bed without her husband to help her. So she didn't want any company, and we usually go to her house on Christmas. So this Christmas was just me and Levi spending the day together watching Christmas movies, and after he unwrapped his presents, of course. So tomorrow I think we will at least go see my brother. So let's see what I got in my box. Let's see, I got Variation 60, and of course, if you've watched any unboxings, which I'm sure most of you have, this is the theme this month was Bubbles and Glitz.
By the way, guys, I didn't feel good. I felt like I was going to die, whatever, because I was in so much pain.
Okay, go sit
this
down.
morning.
Yeah, he woke up with a bad headache. I actually ordered my very first background thing, and I ordered it. It has the sparkles. It kind of looks like this. I took all my Christmas polish off. I'm going to do and I cut my nails back quite a bit. If y'all remember, my nails had gotten so long, I cut them back some because I've got a lot of home improvement stuff I want to get done. So I thought, while I'm doing them, I'm going to cut them back some, and I'm going to put on a pretty New Year's theme. I had planned on already doing it, but I haven't finished it yet, but I'm hoping to get that done before the ball drops tonight, so it'll be done. So the first thing I got was the Caliente. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but the Caliente palette, Artist Culture, manufactured retail price of $30. It says, turn up the heat and get ready to feel the Caliente fantasy. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. These colors, I hear fireworks going off. We're way out in the country, and there's people shooting off fireworks. These colors have been carefully curated to design wearable, vibrant, and colorful looks. Transform your eyes with this versatile, glow-getter approved palette. And it looks like this. I know it seemed like a lot of people got the Huda palettes, which I'm glad. I was kind of hoping I would, because then I would be able to give it in a giveaway, because I already had the 2. I haven't used them, but I got them when they were on sale for like $10 a palette. And this is pretty. It's got the pretty big mirror for the palette, and there's the colors. But I was still hoping to get the Huda so I could share it with you all. But this is still pretty, and I said I've never tried this. I'm going to swatch a couple of them, and then I'll do a look with them later. Here's, I think this is probably the multi-dimensional one right here because it's the most vivid, the most sparkly. That's pretty. And then there's a matte. Look how pretty that is. I will have to do a look with that very soon to show you all. And then my choice was this Glamnetic. I almost canceled this because I've mentioned before I have a base box so that on Lux months I get the Lux and the base to show you all. And I almost canceled the base because I really need to cancel as much as possible, and I have really gotten down to where I don't get near as much as I was, but I really wanted this Glamnetic stuff to show you all, and I was really eager to try it myself. So it came in the eyeliner, and then the lashes are separate. That's how it came. Oops. So I chose these. You see them, they look really fancy. I don't know if I'm probably gonna have to cut those down some. Those just look way too long and whatever, more than what I usually like. So, but then again, I've only wore the fake lashes I think twice, so I'm not real used to them anyway. So that retails for $63. It's Bella Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. Bella is a medium, wispy, flared lash that gives a classy and beautiful winged eye effect. Made from high-quality, 100% vegan synthetic fibers, the Glamnetic Magnetic Eyeliner is the magic that holds your favorite Glamnetic lashes in place all day. The innovative formula is highly pigmented, requires minimal waiting time, and provides all-day hold. $63. Can you believe that? No way would I pay $63 for that when those probably last longer than regular lashes that have to be glued, but who knows? I don't know. That's so expensive. And then I got the Tarte Man Eater mascara. It looks like this. I will be doing a first impression of this maybe next week. Y'all know I like to do my mascara is one of my staples. That is the one thing that I absolutely have to have. It's like this. I'm not going to open it yet because I want to make sure the packaging looks familiar. I don't want to open it just in case I have this, so that if I do have it, I can put this one in a giveaway. So I don't want to open it because this packaging does look really familiar. So that is the packaging, and it says that retails for $23. It says, warning, maximum compliments ahead with this volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with a soft flex brush and lightweight triple black formula. And then the next thing I got is MAC Matte Lipstick, Meet MAC Lipstick, the iconic product that made MAC famous. This creamy rich formula features high color payoff and a no shine matte finish, and it retails for $19. And this is in the color Chili. Of course, the box looks like this. Their normal packaging, and then it's just the regular bullet. And that, look how pretty that is. Yet I'm not going to swatch this. I need to look and make sure, because I did order some that had the, when they was like $3 or $4 on the add-ons, and I want to make sure that this was not one that I chose. But look, it's really pretty. I don't want to swatch things that someone else might use. I do love this color, but I want to make sure I don't already have this color so that if I do, someone else will be able to use it. And then I got the original makeup eraser, the sponge, the first ever machine washable sponge, specially formulated by the original makeup eraser. It features the same unique wash technology to erase makeup out of your sponge simply by machine washing, and it retails for $18. I think this is really cool. I was glad actually to get this. I think this is such a cool concept that you have the little, if it stays together, that is such a cool idea. Let's see. It has the sponge inside. I would think that you could put any sponge in there. I would think so. Wouldn't you think so? I mean, I would think any sponge could go in here as long as it was. Let's see if it twists. Yeah, it twists. So yeah, it should stay locked. It's good and locked. That is so cool. Look at that. I would think any sponge to get them clean could be put in there and be washed. Wouldn't you think? That is such a cool idea. I love this. Be able to get them really clean. So to recap, I got this that's valued at $18, and I'm actually videoing on my phone where I usually do the